Any day you get Mustang parts is a good day. Not exactly too happy on how some of these boxes look. Shipped through FedEx here, so let's see. Everything made it here intact. I would assume the stuff in this box should be perfectly okay. So, I don't know, just like sometimes all the paper on the top is kind of a little bit much. Okay, so we've got the ARP kit to install the lower intake. I've got a set of new taillight seals because one of mine was leaking. I was having problems with this bolt here leaking on the rear brakes, so I just got a whole new one. The bracket was probably okay, but this is how they sell it with the banjo bolt and the fitting, so hopefully that fixes our leak. I also purchased, these should be the Ford gaskets with the larger ports, because I got the big head, so we kind of need this. All right. I don't know, let's hope the trick flow pack something just a little bit better in here. This is the only spacer I could find for the actual intake that's in here, so hopefully this is the correct one. Look at that. Looks all right. You would think with the bolts in there bouncing around, it would damage something. So, new longer bolts to install the spacer. I would have liked to have got a larger one, but this is all they had listed that fit. Looks like it comes with 2 gaskets. So, this is the intake. Hopefully we can see what this sounds like. So, it's heavy. Let's see what we can find in here. The bottom of the box, it's almost torn apart. It says it's 26 pounds off shipping weight, so it looks like it did have the staples in it at one time. I did want to get the black coated one, but we ended up, the only one I could find in stock was this one. So it looks like we have the install manual here. It looks like they have boxed both parts separately. Alright. We'll get rid of that one. Now, it sounded like everything was coming from the bottom. Let's see what we can find in here. Let's take a look. So it looks like that's what's making the noise. The fittings and the bolts down in here. Okay. Over here on this side, looks like we have one gasket. We have free extended warranty. Interesting. Let's just set this in here. And then right here is the upper intake. I'm really hoping that I got good angle on this. So this is the Holley System Max. I don't know, I guess it says Holley System Max 2. I guess they're supposed to flow better, the way the stuff is designed, over the GT40 that I have. So I guess we'll see. Well, I'm guessing since that's the upper, this has to be our lower intake right in here. It looks like it's packaged a whole lot nicer than the upper was. Quite sure what this is for. We did have a little bit of right there, but it looks like it's all right. A little bit on this side. Let's get this over here. No clue what this is for. All right, let's just get that. Okay. Look, there's some spider webs down in here. In the EGR port. Look, there's even spider webs down here on the bottom of this. This thing must have been sitting for a long time. All right. Well, I think we're going to be doing some port matching down here to make this match. So I'm actually going to look into seeing if I can find someone to port this intake. My problem is I had ported heads. I have a GT40 intake and I did not want to port that. I wanted to buy something else. I might also send this out and get it powder coated black or white. I don't know. I think maybe white would look pretty good on top of the motor. So that's kind of where we're at. Just kind of really wanted to do the unboxing. I don't know, kind of blowing out here. Cobwebs in the valley of the intake. When I looked, it was showing that they had 2 of these in stock. And I waited a couple days and showed that they had 1. There were some other ones that were supposed to be coming back in stock of this model. And then any of the other ones I was looking for, like either trick flow or something like that. It's hard to find information. I wish I would have been able to find something that showed more of what actually like flow numbers are compared to stuff. So, but anyway, we kind of just bought everything I think I needed to be able to get this job done, along with the bolts and the spacer. We should clear our valve covers. I did find a video with this intake installed and it showed it clearing. So hopefully we're good and we're all right. All right, well, there we go. Not quite sure what these are for. Guess they go inside the valley of the intake. One goes probably up here in the back. Yeah, one's got to go. That's got to be a baffle, you know. There's 2 baffles that go in here. They're both baffles. One goes here and one goes here. I'll go over more of everything when I do go to do this install. But like I said, I just wanted to do an unboxing and make sure that nothing was damaged with this intake. So far, everything looks pretty decent. And man, I just can't believe the price of what these intakes are now, used or new. It's pretty insane. So we got some more stuff to install in the Mustang, and more videos to come. Chasing them numbers.